Unong yalam ke UDP, ubak bendo Lanong, ulabu jengkeli ubak John F. Karsiyeng, unong yalam ke Federation of Khasi States. Dah ke bau ulong ba, saka udang kuat namar bagi kendon balai soi, haka Instrument of Accession, IOA, bat ke Annex Agreement AA, bat ke Sorkar India bat kis Khasi ladep pen urlong lod baro. Laban kedau bo unong yalam ke Federation of Khasi States, ubak John F. Karsiyeng, ulapan jiksai na General Secretary ke UDP, Dr. Jiminu Motho, halor ke jingkran ubak bendo, kumbalami ekilat pathai kubor hakini kisngi baka IOA ke datang ke dulir dia tu kana
kibiak itu kan statement ke bang lami ya teu kodam kinong yalam juga Federation of Khasi State kali sedali katas nem kata punya kali sedali ngadu odon ke kongres. What happened what do they want? I want to know what do they want, what else do they want? So whatever they want, why don't they speak up? What else do you want? No, pila allegedly, pila she born ki memorandum. Not only that, they have even gone to meet some other babas also. Kiba don po deki. Kila let pen snow ikan Asia kibrio kiba. Apo ki embassy kiba pun. US embassy, British embassy. Kila let kita genum lah ben lagi. So we want to know what else do they want. Makat ni gila don ya kabakiwe kimdon. No other traditional institutions in India exist, but we exist with many powers that we enjoy. Tengah kuat mentip ke. What else do they want? Itu ki atusan teligi ba. Maki kisah. Ban IT no elade si Sorkar India. That is not me. Kita gila gihima. Te nganga ong ya kata ke betul. Tolong. Tengok ong ru ba ya kita kimat. Ya kita kimat lai satu lagi kimat judicial, excise, land, forest. Kita haru pediang mata ke state government ki exercise no bentar kam nak lang kimat district council kadon bor halor kita ke state ke pet telah pediang kan kita ya kata ka baki buat makila pediang tiga makut. What did I say? Ngayang kan halor kata. Hindi yang penuh politik sini. Hayo hat ngantre. Menyiapkan beri untuk penyalah no. Bet haga jaka ka baydon kikli jabing jo kajak beriu. Hangta minta diskuskan kod not sendar. Bengaku aktif ke Federation of Khasi State buat sekali. Ini kidang don ki bapak ya ya kira religious practice religious performance. Kadai kata kanu kariti ke dustur juga yoki beriu. Kanu kajak beriu. Custom juga beriu. Itulah. Satang lada. Long dia itu lada kia tengko. Baki ansur kan. Tak kamu kidu no. Kadau ada artili kita. Gawai kadau kalong ba they did not sign ya ka instrument of merger. Merger kamu tu yo. Kemau ki political parties ki match kidu no sendan. La match la penum te dalam blockchain bagi siam kasih jungi kita ke jing sempang they had common sense and they knew the law also dan after that they had common sense, they knew the law also people come ke Japan but then after that they did not sign ya ke instrument of merger. See, they did not sign. Kata kadai kau kadau but kau kadau apa kadai kau kadau kolong itu siapa kini kau kadau boleh pergi hima di kita ni kadau kau baar kadai bah kita ke bentar jom keriti ke dustur ke jungi customary laws, customary rights and practice Jadi, namar ba yang ki custom jono umjudan tebalan pundu. Umjudan Sorkar, no government can interfere with the customary practice of the people.